I'm King Solo, KYNGS Solo. I'm playing around right now, freestyling to some shit. They've been in the studio for a bit, so that rhymed too. Love this beat. Alright, so shout out to Original Hip Hop, Sick Beat Instrumental, Prod Tower Beats. That's who did this beat. Hit me up. All my information will be in the video. I'll try to put it in the bottom of the thing. Call me a defibrillator, bring you back to life. Now, you can take your enemies cause I hit you with the knife. For that bullet, I'm like Russian roulette. And I'm not playing no games because nevertheless, am I not the best? I don't know, you be the judge of that. Only God can really judge me with anything that I do. When I'm coming back, I'm back to stay and moving along with every time that I pray. The streets stay hot with everything that I fucking say. And I'm off the chain and people wanna break me. Well, let me broke like the shackles be broken. I'm misunderstood and underestimated, and I'm never choking. No exhausting the fumes and polluted. Not doing that, I keep your water diluted. If I need be kinda crazy on the scene, I flip them dollar bills, but not a stripper pose. Boy, I bring the heat every time I do that slam dunk. I bring the funk in the beat. If I got to do it like that, I never sink. I'm a ship or a sailboat, cause I'm ready to sail. Everybody's ready to reload every time, but I explode with explicit porn lines and foreheads and foreskin. Like, what the fuck is mine? I don't even know. I could stay confused. I wake up every day like I was battled and bruised. But I thank Lord for the day to come. I thank God for all the blessings that He's ever done. And I am never playing cause I keep it the realest. And a lot of people hate me because damn, I'm the thrillist. I keep the thrill, leave you with cold chills when I rhyme. I do that shit like time after time, like I'm snorting line after line, hyping the head. I'm misled a lot of times. Nevertheless, I said a lot of things in my last rhymes. I got like 1,599. Who knows? Shit, I leave you blind if you was to see, but I can leave you focused with your bifocals on the scene. Never mind, I keep the cream, and if I wanna bring the crop, I can do that too, man. I leave them like mean green, washed away, never stained, and I can make them always remember me in their brains, in the cell. A lot of people locked away in jail, man. Better than being dead, pouring out the liquor. I bring it on the beat, feeling bad, keep it sicker. I know it makes sense, 50 cents to a dozen. Make $1 to every dime and fucking, I'm never fussing. But I'm always bringing, I'm always buzzing on everything that I do, cause I'm showing that I'm never that liar, never that I bring the pliers. I'm pulling teeth in this motherfucker like I'm a dentist. I keep it higher, elevated like them pills. I'm keeping it so motherfucking real with everything until I get a deal. Fuck the record, I'm coming to bring the guts spill. I leave your cranium in the dust and the concrete, blow it away like damn, she really thinks that she can do it. I can do it even better. A lot of people don't understand that I'm like Billy Bob and Cheddar. What the fuck is that, huh? Billy Bob and Cheddar. I could be a Billy Bong or Billy Bong better. So fucking dumb. But I leave you high strong. Feel the bass line every time it goes thump, thump, thump.